Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. And today we're going to go over, this is a L3 hash board that has a short. So basically, when I plug it in, I'm not going to power it up because it shuts down the PSU. But we're going to go ahead and test the capacitors here going into the power supply. So power comes in and then goes through these here. So this will be step 0. Appreciate any support. Tools and equipment is definitely not cheap. So thumbs up or even subscribing definitely helps. Now we're going to go right into it. So make sure to set your multimeter to test the ohms. I'm going to go ahead and test the first one here. Now this should charge all the way up to 1, but it does not. Alright, we'll go to the next one. Same thing. Same thing. Can't even get anything out of this one. There we go. So this one's charging. So it's probably one of these capacitors here that are bad. Stay tuned, we'll find out. See you then.